Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Nokia G21 smartphone, and let me show how you can set the screen timeout setting to never on this device. Unfortunately, if you'll try to do it from the default settings of your phone, let me find the screen timeout, you'll see that the maximum value that you can set is 30 minutes. So in order for you to be able to set it to never, or to the infinite value, you will want to use the help of this third-party app called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. Here type in Caffeine just like this. Go for this very app, that's the app that we're looking for. Tap on the green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. Now we can go ahead and open up the app itself, and here all we gotta do is to make sure that the value that is set as for the timeout section is infinite, and that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not lock itself automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!